Hi, Ivan. This is Nithya. I hope you're safe, especially now with all the protests going on. I also hope that, you're still doing all the quarantine and safe distances from other people. Um, how is it over in your city? I mean, right now for me, it's getting warmer, so I'm getting all that sleepiness and I want to take naps all the time now. Uh, Hopefully, you are not as lazy as I am. Anyway, for today's story, we have The Little Boat. What do you think this story is about, Ivan? I think it's got something to do with this picture of all the toys in the store, and most of them are boats. Have you ever been on a boat? I've been on one cruise and a couple of ferries, so I don't have a lot of experience on boats because I don't like water, but I do have some. So let's get started. Rick, Kay, and Bill shop. Kay will get a boat. Bill will get one too. Kay and Bill want to sail the boats on the lake in the park. I want to get the red one. I bet it will go fast, said Kay. I want a big blue boat that has a white line, said Bill. How will we find a boat like that? Said Rick. Here is one, said Bill. All three laugh because the boat is so little. It is little, but it will have to do, said Rick. Here you go. The three go to the lake and set the red boat in the lake. Rick, Kay, and Bill like to look at the lake and the boat. Then the three see the red boat sink. No, yelled Kay and Bill. Don't cry, said Rick. We still have the little blue boat with the white line. Kay and Bill laugh. Rick will make them laugh any time he can. It will be dark fast, said Rick. You need to go home. But I need my red boat, said Kay. Then Rick, Kay, and Bill hear yells from the lake. What is going on? Said Rick. Look, a dog has your boat. We can go home now, said Kay. Good boy. Okay, so that's the end of today's story. I hope you liked it. So, what do you think about it, Ivan? Did you like the story? Did you dislike it? Um, and hopefully, you can tell me or, someone else why you liked it or disliked it. Um, did you like the pictures? I liked the pictures. They look really nice and colorful. Anyway, so hopefully you'll come back again and continue practicing reading. I know I say this all the time, but it's really important that you do because it's not something you can ever escape from. So definitely keep practicing, Ivan, and hopefully one day we'll talk face to face. So have a good day.